hi, look. 11. Hey everyone, so today I'm just going to show you how I do my makeup for the day. So I'm currently going to be working this afternoon, so that's pretty much why I'm putting makeup on. So I'm just going to film myself getting ready, so if you're interested, well, just keep watching. Also, my cat is very annoying, so I'm gonna first start with some concealer on my lid. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm going to list all the products I'm using below in the description box. And then I'm just going to set my lid with some translucent powder. Doesn't matter which one. I'm gonna do my eyes. So I'm just going to start with the Naked Eat palette by Urban Decay. And I'm gonna take the color Sauce, which is like a orange brownish shade. And I'm going to put that in my crease. You can't see anything. So with just a large fluffy brush, I'm just going to put that in my crease. So then I'm going to take a smaller blending brush, something like that, and I'm gonna go into Heat Devils. So I'm putting that just below the shade we applied, and I'm going to go in Fuego, which is the shade here. That's a little bit like the shade we used earlier, but just a tad bit darker. And with this shade, I'm just going to go on the outer corner and a little bit on my lid, but still below the two shades we already applied. Okay, so I blended a little bit more with my mirror to really see what I was doing. But then I'm just going to take the same brush we used, like the smaller one, and I'm going to take Ashes, which is like a dark burgundy shade. And I'm really gonna focus that on the outer corner. And then I'm going to put it on my lid as well. Just make sure there's no rough edges. So now I'm just going to go into my NORVINA palette. I'm gonna go take this shimmer shade, which is called Drama, which is like a dark purple. So I'm just going to take a really precise brush. This one is by Health and it cost me like $2. So I'm just going to take the shade on my brush, and then I'm going to spray it with some setting mist. On top of the color, we just apply. Wow, Anastasia. Then I'm just gonna go in with my finger with the shade Drama to see if I can get more pigment. So I'll zoom you out a little and I put my light on. I know it's looking kind of yellow, but it was getting like too dark. Even if it's sunny outside, I don't get it. So I'm gonna start with my base. So I already prepped my skin, so if you want to see that, I have a video on that. I'm going to link it below too, so you should go watch it. But for primer today, I'm going to use the Capture Total Dream Skin Advanced by Dior. And this is like a moisturizer, but I really like using it as a primer. And just before that, I removed the fallout from the shadow. So if you're using the NORVINA palette or the Naked Heat, just keep that in mind. So which color am I? My tan is going away, so I'm going to mix the YSL All Hours Encre de Peau and the Fenty Beauty Filter Foundation. I'm saying Encre de Peau like I'm not speaking French. but it just sounds so much better. I'm going to use my Burn This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and this one reminds me of this Shape Tape. It gives you a lot of coverage, but it doesn't look cakey at all, so that's what I like. And it doesn't crease as well. And I'm going to add on top my Laura Mercier concealer, just because this one is lighter. I have some breakout recently, I don't know why. I tried to extract my blackhead and it didn't work, so like now it's just like a pimple or a whitehead, I don't know. But it's not fun. I'm going to set under my eyes and my face also with the It Cosmetic by My Pores. So I'm just going to use the little thing that comes with it on the side of my nose. And on my nose, because that's where a foundation tends to go quicker. So I'm just going to set everything on my forehead, and where I apply concealer. And then I'm just going to go with a brush like that, and I'm just going to pat the excess powder into my skin. And I'm going to drag it down my neck also. And I'm gonna sweep it away under my eyes and then pat. Now we're gonna go into bronzer. And today I'm going to use my Laguna bronzer by Nars. On the jawline. I like to put it also on the side of my nose. I'm going to carve a little my cheekbones. I'm gonna use this Tarte 12 Hour Amazing Clay, and this one is in the shade Sensual. Now let's do the brows. So I'm using the ABH oh my god, the Dip Brow Pomade, okay, in medium brown. And brush. Brush it. Now I'm just going to take some brow gel. This one is clear. It's by Anastasia. Oh my god, why did that? Please don't blow your brush or your eyeshadow palette, because that's disgusting and full of germs. Okay, now I'm just gonna spray my face with the Tarte H2O mist, and then I'm gonna take my Fenty highlighter and Mean Money and Hustla Baby, and I'm gonna kind of mix them both. Just apply. And I'm going to put this shade in my inner corner. I'm gonna fix everything with my Urban Decay all-nighter. And then I'm gonna go get changed and get ready, and I'm gonna come back to do my lips. So I just added some lashes and did my lips really quickly. I know they're like horrible, but I need to clean them up, but I really need to go, but I really wanted to show you the end result. And I also add these false lashes that are Lilly Lashes Miami, but it's just to show you the look. So thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and I know that this outro is really rushed, but I just really wanted to show you the end result. So I hope you like this video, like I said earlier. So don't forget to like, thumbs up, that's the same thing, comment, love me, follow me on my social media. So thank you for watching.